What's up guys, this is iOS Pro, and today Apple has released iOS 14 Beta 5 to all developers today, carrying about 1.63 gigabytes on my iPhone XR. On my iPhone 11 I installed it. Build number is 18A5351D, and there are about 10 new changes and features in this update I found today. And the first one is in display and brightness. So previously when you looked at appearance here, they used the old iOS 13 dark mode wallpaper to demonstrate the appearance for light to dark. But now in Beta 5, they've now updated it. So now it uses iOS 14 wallpaper. So in Beta 4, they used iOS 13 wallpaper for the light and dark icons. Now they changed it to look just like the iOS 14 wallpaper, so it matches with the OS, so you know which OS they're using. So that's a really cool change there. Okay, this next one is in the home screen. So previously on Beta 4 here, we looked at the home screen. It previously was titled New Apps Download. So basically, it was telling you where you can download apps to the home screen or the app library. But now in Beta 5, they've renamed it to Newly Download Apps. So from new app downloads to newly downloaded apps. So a nice new little name change there. So now it tells you exactly what the options are for. So really cool. Okay, this next one is in display and brightness. So previously, we'd turn on dark mode in display and brightness, go to display zoom. You notice on Beta 4, the standard was not displayed correctly like Zoom is. But now in Beta 5, Apple has now fixed this. So on Beta 5, it now displays standard and Zoom correctly. Previously on Beta 4, it didn't do that. So previously it wasn't able to display correctly with dark mode on. But now that's been fixed in Beta 5. So really nice bug fix. Okay, this next one is in battery. So previously on Beta 4 here, on iOS 14, when you go to battery status here, the title is called Last Charge Level down here, and it says a percentage. But now in Beta 5 here, Apple's now renamed it to Last Charged to 100%. So basically, previously on here, it just tells you like when you had the phone last plugged in, then tells you charge level. But now it'll tell you the last time you charge it to 100 instead of just last charging it. So that's really nice little text change there, just to let you know what this icon is here is for. So basically now it'll tell you when you last charged it to 100%. That's a nice little icon change. So now nobody will go like when they had the phone last plugged in. So now they'll know when the phone was last charged to 100%. So that's a really nice little change there, Apple. Okay, this next one is in exposure notifications. So in Beta 4 here, you only had 3 options for when you have the app installed for exposure notifications, for exposure logging, share, and no active region. But now in Beta 5 here, you now have a new option for availability alerts. So this was not available in Beta 4. Now it is in Beta 5. So this will only appear if you have the app installed. So on Beta 5, which I do. So that's why it's appearing there. So I have them installed on both phones here on Beta 4 and 5. So that's a new option with Beta 5. So really cool change here, Apple. Okay, this next one is in Siri and search. So previously on Beta 4, the tab right here was called Siri Feedback previously from like iOS 9 up to now. But now in Beta 5, they've renamed it to Siri Responses. So previously on Beta 4, it was Siri Feedback. But now in Beta 5, it's Siri Responses. So when you go into it, it has the exact same options as it used to, but just a new name there. So really cool, Apple. So nice new name change. Okay, this next one is in wallpaper. So we go to wallpaper, both of them, go to choose new wallpaper. You'll notice that Beta 5 here on the right has smaller icons for wallpaper. So on Beta 4 here, when you went to stills, they have these long rectangular icons since iOS 7, I think. But now Apple's now shrunk them to a smaller rectangle shape, so it's not as tall now. So smaller wallpaper icons for all wallpaper categories. Even down the bottom, Apple made the wallpaper like still icons smaller on Beta 5 here. So just adjusting it, making everything smaller. So really cool, Apple. Okay, this next one is when using Siri. So previously, if you ask Siri what time it is for a current location, or an example here, what time is it in Cupertino?
It's 11:25 a.m. in Cupertino, California.
So previously on Beta 4 here, she didn't display the time with her answer, but now, what time is it in Cupertino?
It's 11:25 a.m. in Cupertino, California.
So now you can see on Beta 5 here, Siri now displays the location that she gave you the time with. So previously on Beta 4, when you asked her time, when she gave you the time for that location, she didn't tell you exactly where it was here. She only told you down here. But now in Beta 5, it now displays the time in the city you asked it with. So really cool. So new naming for the location for the time. So really cool bug fix there. Okay, this next one is a control center, but I have to use my iPod Touch to show you this because I don't have it enabled on my 10R here. So previously on beta 4 here, when we went to control center, previously that the icons for the home section were big in the control center, but now in beta 5, Apple's now fixed it so it now shows the smaller icons no matter how many devices you have now. So if you have like an Apple TV or HomePod now, for one of each, it will now display the current size just like the Apple showed in their demo. Previously down here, it showed the bigger icons for 2 different devices, but now it shows the same size icons for unlimited amount of devices you have. So if you have like 8 devices, it'll stay the same size now instead of going to big. So really nice icon changer, Apple. Okay, this last one is in settings here. So when we go to privacy now, go to location, scroll down to system services, you'll notice on beta 4 here, you have these options right here. But now in beta 5, you have a new one for device management.framework. So previously that was not available on beta 4 for system services, but now it is on beta 5. So brand new device management.framework option there. So really cool. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Peace.